My YouTube channel. In this video today, I have this platform for you. So this platform is called web.HLH AI platform. So when you register, if you want to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So when you register, they are going to give you $36, and make sure you read what you are seeing here. So after that, you click on confirm. Then right now I'm going to show you how to use this $35 you are seeing here, the one they give to you here, how to use it to invest on this platform. So when you use it to invest, then you can be earning up to five Tron every day. Five yes, five. Yeah, so you'll be getting five Tron every day. So this is how to do it. After you registered on this platform, it will take you to this exactly page like this. So the next thing to do is to click on featured products, the one you are seeing here. Click on it. So after you click on that featured product, then click on TRX, this one you are seeing with red color here. Click on it. If you want to go for the USDT and others one, you can deposit and earn money through all those one, or through this one. So this one will be giving you from the from the 335, this thing give it to you, $35 give it to you. You'll be getting five Tron every day. You'll be getting five Tron every day. Yes, every day you'll be getting five Tron every day. But one thing about it is you will only get it for just a day. So because you are doing their free planning, so the next thing to do is to click on this one here. Click on it. Click on it. Then input. Click on maximum so that you can invest the whole 500 Tron here. So you click on it now and you have invest the whole 500. So it will give you 5 Tron day in a day, 5 Tron in a day. But this contract is for just a day. It's just a day contract. If you want to go for more higher contract, then you can click here, go for this or this or this or this. So you go for any of these one you are seeing here. For example, this one you just deposit 21 Tron. This one will give you about 3.2% daily. You can see this is the minimum, and that is the 3.87 Tron daily. For example, let's say you deposit about 1000 Tron here, you'll be getting 320 Tron daily. That is not bad. 320 Tron. If you deposit if you deposit 10,000 Tron, if you deposit 1000 Tron, you'll be getting 32 Tron daily. 3.2% daily. That is it for 1 day. For 3 days, you can see it. You can check the calculation. Let's say I deposit 500 Tron, I will be getting 70 Tron daily for 3 days, and your capital will still be back to you. Your capital will still be back to you. So you can see their plans here. This is their investment plans here. Everything here on this platform. So you can check the one for for 21 days, which will give you about about 117.6% of your deposit. But the minimum you can deposit, the minimum Tron you can deposit here is 10,001 like this. And this one will be giving you 560.056 Tron daily. That is it. That is it for that one. For this 14 days own will give you 72.8% in Tron daily. The minimum you can deposit for this one also is a range from 10,000 upward. So you can check this thing, everything to know the one that suits you. But right now I just want to show you the one for the free plans here. The free plans we are seeing here. So click on it, click on maximum, This is the estimated value you are going to get on it for the free account given to you. So the next thing is to click on subscription. So right now you need to set up a Telegram contact method so that we can better serve you. So you need to input your Telegram username here. Input your Telegram username, then you click on confirm. So let me do that now. After I input my Telegram username there, then I'm going to click on confirm. So input it, then click on confirm. Sorry, you need to remove this. So you need to remove that heart. Now click on confirm. So please set your payment password as it is required for both renting mining machine and withdrawing fund. So you need to input your enter your this thing your payment password so that if you want to withdraw you can use it to make your withdrawal. So and also for renting. So I have input it. Now click on confirm. As you can see, buy sources. So right now, by this time tomorrow, I am going to see 5 Tron on my wallet which I can withdraw, but they are going to take back their 500 Tron because they give it to me for free. So but for you, if you want to purchase a plan by yourself, then you can just deposit. You click on deposit up here. This is deposit. In case you don't see it, this is deposit up here. So click on deposit. To deposit, either you want to deposit USDT, the minimum you can deposit from them is I think maybe any amount. Yes, I think it's any amount. So you can deposit SRP, Tron, or USDT TRC20 or Dogecoin. So let's say you want to deposit Tron right now. You click on Tron there, then you click on this thing. You can only deposit Tron to this thing. Get address. Click on get address. So after you click on get address, address will be generated to you automatically. Copy the wallet address. The minimum you can deposit is 15 Tron. 15 Tron, that is the minimum. So let's see the minimum you can deposit for USDT TRC20. So minimum deposit is 1 TRC20. That means 1 USDT. That is the minimum you can deposit. 1 USDT TRC20. The minimum you can deposit with Dogecoin is 20 Dogecoin, while the minimum you can deposit with XRP is 3 XRP. So that is it. So immediately you do it and you want to invest, then you can click on the same place here, feature product. So when you click on feature product here, you can now go on with the investment you want to do. You can now go on with the investment you want to do. If you want to check your earn coin, then you click on earn coin here. You click on earn coin. You just click on earn coin here. Yes, you can just see what you have earned. You can see the record of your withdrawal here, claim record. You will see your claim record, your deposit, everything. You will see it here on this platform. As you can see my Tron is mining, my free mining Tron is mining under the order. So you click on order, you will see it's mining. It's mining. My 500 Tron is the 500 Tron gave it to me. It's mining for this. So that is it. That is it. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the update I have for you. I hope you like it. You can do it for free or you can invest on it. So thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, please hit that like button, hit the subscribing button also, so that anytime I update another video such like this or more like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. And again, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link, and also join my WhatsApp group there. Also, you will see a lot of things on that there. Thank you. for being here. Goodbye for now.